The humid Jamaican air hung thick and sweet with the scent of mangoes as Orlean tanned brown skin, and her afro curls bouncing, led Michelle down the grassy lane. Michelle, pale and freckled with blonde hair, clutched her backpack tight, her blonde ponytail damp with sweat. She arrived from Canada just a week ago, a student on exchange, and felt like a wilting lily in the vibrant Jamaican sun. "Don't worry yourself, Michelle," Orlean said, her voice a melodic lilt. "Yard life tech's I'm getting used to, but soon you'll be skanking to the reggae beats like a true yardie." Michelle managed a weak smile. Since arriving, she'd felt utterly out of place. The spicy food burned her mouth, the patois was a blur, and the vibrant, bustling energy of the island was overwhelming. Orlean stopped in front of a small, brightly painted house with a corrugated iron roof. "Dis is Mama Rose's shop," she announced. "Best patties in the whole parish. Come, I buy you one." Inside, the air was thick with the smell of frying dough. Mama Rose, a woman as round and warm as the patty she sold, greeted Orlean with a hug. She eyed Michelle with curiosity. "Dis is Michelle, Mama Rose," Orlean explained. "She come from Canada to learn about we culture." Mama Rose beamed. "Welcome, child. You come to the right place. Jamaica got enough high vibes to share." She handed Michelle a golden, flaky patty. Michelle hesitantly took a bite. The spicy beef filling exploded in her mouth, a burst of flavor she hadn't expected. She coughed, then smiled. It was good, really good. Over the next few weeks, Orlean became Michelle's guide. She taught her the basics of patois, introduced her to ackee and saltfish, and even showed her a few dance steps. They explored hidden waterfalls, hiked through lush rainforests, and spent hours swimming in the turquoise sea. Orlean explained the history of Jamaica, the challenges and triumphs of its people, and the deep connection to the land. One evening, sitting on the beach watching the sunset paint the sky in hues of orange and purple, Michelle finally felt like she belonged. "Thank you, Orlean," she said softly, "for everything. I was so scared and lost, but you made me feel like I'm home." Orlean grinned, her white teeth flashing in the twilight. "Jamaica folks like to share to those who want to learn about the culture and its people, Michelle. Now, come on, let's go find some jerk chicken. My treat." As they walked away, the sound of reggae music drifted on the warm breeze, a soundtrack to a friendship blooming under the Jamaican sun.